I was hitting C-course at Mayhem, and I popped it into a corner.
Shut up.
I couldn't hold it much longer. The angle was getting nuts, right into a fence.
Jodell got hit by someone getting parked.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
You could possibly fit the other one.
That's not good.
Just try it.
Kidding?
Just try it. You could probably get it in like that. Squeeze. Oh, come on, you can get it. Come on.
Oh, this is like it's like being virgin.
You need to squeeze that one piece through.
I don't think it's like
It's not gonna break, you're just gonna squeeze it.
Oh,
There you go.
there you go. Money.
Have you read any of the comments yet?
Yeah.
Did you?
Read them mostly.
Good comments?
Bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere.
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
That engine bay looks like ass. Wow, the fastest startup he's ever had.
Our engineer's always afraid that it's like an engine's gonna blow up in your face, like never.
One time my head blew on my car and I opened up the coolant cap, boom,
Yeah.
everywhere. Like you could get
Record this
burned.
dent. Let me record that dent. Look at that dent. I was hitting C-course at Mayhem, and I popped it into a corner.
Shut up.
I couldn't hold it much longer. The angle was getting nuts, right into a fence.
Jodell got hit by someone getting parked. Damn, I'd be pissed. He just got it painted too, like 3 weeks ago. Brand new body kit, everything.
Yeah, brand new. 3 weeks ago.
Yes.
I mean, you can do phones yourself. Or
Damn, I could just like. Don't touch it. Don't touch
I'm
it.
not gonna touch it.
Damn. Nothing. You can't have nothing nice in the city.
Imagine like, yeah, guys, it's actually wrap. Start pulling it off.
That dent.
Fixed.
Damn, we might need a whole new fucking. What the fuck backed over here? You have no clue.
I'm pretty sure it was a truck with a tow hook.
It had to be, yeah, it had to be something. Cause this whole fucking bracket, this bracket's huge. You just bought this brand new.
Yep.
And I creased that shit good.
Yep. And then right here, all of this got separated and unlined up. And then
That's not a big deal though.
I just wanted to know. So when he does work on it.
That's not terrible.
Find out those cameras. Yeah.
Huh?
Nah, he said everyone's saying to like look for the camera to try to get his plate number. But if you can't do it today, it's completely fine.
Heat it up and punch it.
No, it's not even. Dude, the whole this bracket is like 3 pieces of steel that
Oh,
support
really?
the center of the bumper, and they bent that. I mean, what about in here, right there? That's what that is. That's the bumper. This. Yeah, but they creased it and they fucked up that other piece. Why they cooked this whole thing? I don't know.
Have a clean 240, he said.
The quality paint you got here. This paint guy probably hates you. Holy fuck.
I love how it's okay for CJ to pull all pieces of your paint, but if I touch it,
Yeah.
What are you doing? He said it's going to paint. What the fuck's the difference? Like, don't touch it. Don't touch
I'm not gonna touch it.
We all touched the car.
Just put everything in here. Look. You might not even be able to fix this bumper.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know how good it is.
You better hope you can get
I think by the
insurance.
door jams, I don't think he's gonna be able to fix it.
No, he did it. He redid everything. You wanna see
Judging by
it?
your door jams.
He repainted. he admitted to me that he, since it was the storm that week, he didn't look at the car the way he was supposed to.
So he
and
took
then
the
this is fucking
So he
started
stole your
to
money.
rain on him anymore. Once the sun hit this shit started shrinking. This shit don't even fit the bumper anymore. It's supposed to stay up there.
I mean, is there a bolt?
No, there's not
Or we could
supposed
just
to
put
be.
some 3M paint on the tape right there.
You say so. I'd wait till after the bumper gets better, I guess.
that bracket.
Like 80 bucks.
Well,
Yeah.
your $80
It's
bracket
an-
just got
it's
fucked.
an
Unless he
easy-
can bend it back.
If he can, yeah, if he could just.
This guy had to have hit you pretty fucking hard.
Just meant.
240 things.
CJ Motoring.
Get all your motoring needs. Bendy
If that
boys.
was anybody else doing that, dude, that would have been like, what
I
are you
know-
doing?
I know how
You don't know shit.
unorthodox of his way.
What did you just say? What English was that?
I said
I know how unorthodox.
Hey,
it is,
hey,
like-
hey. Boys go to college. You missed it. When he said that during a podcast, no context. We're like, what the fuck did you just say?
Boys in this too, because
Boys
men
get
also
abused.
get sexually assaulted.
Boys go
and
to
assault-
college.
Dude, shut up. What are you saying?
mean-
that just made 0 sense.
Does it make 0 sense? Think about it.
Think about this. Boys sometimes get sexually assaulted, and what do you come in? Boys go to college.
Finish the sentence.
Are you talking about the game?
Finish the
where-
Get more
sentence.
knowledge.
Thank you.
But remember in that podcast when I said jodells MK Ultra, like something snaps here and there?
Yeah.
That was it.
Boys go to college.
Literally, we're talking about like fucking feminism. Listen, boys go to college. Like,
That was it.
That was someone said boys.
and the
was
first,
something, and then I
first
said
thing
boys
that
go to college.
It's okay, Joe.
Still bent the fuck.
It's a nice stance.
That's the. Let me see what's up with the car stands.
Ooh. Twice. 2 times. A little, like literally one more pump. Okay, we both gotta go down at the same time.
I want to use it.
So go up and then tell me when you're ready.
With that key in real life. She bought me a key, and it says 246.
Nice.
Actually, you didn't even buy it for me because I said don't give me the money back. So, Jasa and Brianna.
Oh my god.
The hell? Why are you guys both hiding? Oh my god. So right now, CJ's attempting to bend back the brackets that the guy hit. And yeah. And this is all of Nick's turbo with the Miata, all his crap. And they are attempting to jack the car up with all this noise so that Adrian could put on his new exhaust and
Put him
his...
this for his safety.
What else did you buy?
He's got his.
You bought an exhaust?
Well, half of
everything
his,
except that.
half of his exhaust was given to him.
Dude, the headers are so cheap. Given to you for free?
Yeah, basically the screen on the.
Yeah, I'm recording him.
Expensive part.
What is what?
Which part?
Which?
The end or the beginning?
After the white pipe, everything after that. It's all in the trunk.
What brand is it?
Agency.
So this, right?
Oh, you're gonna be one of them hot boys with the damn
This one?
titanium,
So
friggin'.
this was given to us by one of our followers.
Hey, thank
slash
you
subscribers.
to whoever that is.
He's gonna shout out your name in a second because I don't know who it was.
His Instagram was Drift.
It'll be right
put it on the
here,
screen.
right in front of his
Drift
face.
Dev, I think his name is Devin. Yeah, he had a 370. He had a 370 drift car. The thing recently just got wrecked.
Wait, that parts interchangeable?
No, this is from a 350.
Oh.
He
He
had a
used to have a
350 as well.
350, and then it was just sitting in his garage.
And he said that he didn't want to go to waste, so he gave it to him. We're kidding when we say give us parts.
How
We
much
really
is it?
are. gonna cost
Brand new 850.
That one piece?
No, it comes with another pipe.
Oh, he gave you the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, well, there's more parts in the car, but
What if it's-
What? No. That's worse than what you have.
he got it for free. One of our subscribers
But
gave
you
it to
already
us.
have it.
He might as well switch the whole thing out.
Let me see the inside. You see that right there?
What about it?
It says chock full of nuts. It's a coffee can.
I don't give a shit. It's newer than what I got.
But thank you guys. We are kidding when we say hand us parts. We really are.
But we
if you guys
100%
do want to send things, we are more than happy. Just hit us up.
It looks like new.
It isn't. It's practically new. The only scuff is this.
I mean, yeah, like it hit, but
He
like
was a
everything
low boy.
else.
But if you guys do want to send us stuff, let us know. We are kidding, but we will put it on the cars if it's not a piece of crap. But hopefully it makes the car sound a lot better.
I mean,
if we can do this shit today, I'm hoping so.
I mean, this isn't a 240, so in theory.
But you're forgetting that this is also JDM hours, and I explained it in the Lost Files video that might eventually come out.
Oh, is the other piece?
Time you multiply it because it's
JDM hours.
Sure. A normal hour on a car is usually
1 hour.
usually times it by 2.5 for a JDM car. So an hour project turns into 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Let's line it up. No, wow, it's light. I thought it was gonna be mad heavy. See, look at that, done. Come on. Come on. What's that?
What does it look like?
I think what we should do real quick.
These are called flex pipes. I know that because I searched it up.
Look at John's car.
Yes.
Things that can make a progress. That we call the AC out loud. The city too.
Wait, you see this? See a freaking wild.
See this right here. Come on, go. Like, we all know. Oh shit, it's Nick.
Yeah, that's his turbo back there.
Okay, so this is oh shit, it's Nick. We all know who he is. We love him. But this was about 2 years ago. He decided to tint his back window. And we're gonna show you what he did. He took spray tint. Now look at the back. Looks mint, right? Nick, you did a great job. But now look on the inside of where he actually sprayed it. Can't even. Yeah, buddy. Ben,
Looking.
Not only that, Nick, please. I've been telling you for 2 years. I will go back to my old videos. Please. Oh, he did. No, did he? Wow. No, it's only 2 bolts. Fully bolt this in. This thing wasn't even bolted in. He put in 2 bolts now. See what happens when you get a girlfriend? You care. You care about your passenger. Too bad I drove in this thing with no bolts.
Oh, that was one long clip. This is all one take. You guys are gonna all see this in one take.
Crease boys.
Yeah, but that's for the bodywork artifacts. Not me.
Yeah. Do you think they can?
Yeah, it'll be fine. We'll figure it out.
That's what they do for a living.
They'll have to use Bondo though, right? Or no?
Maybe we'll just heat it up and shrink it back to how it was. I'm not gonna do it because obviously the paint's falling off already.
Yeah, they're gonna.
This guy's gonna be like, stop coming.
Literally.
I mean,
I think like this was my biggest mistake saying yes to you.
I email them like all the time.
Email. They definitely hate you.
The receptionist.
No, she's awesome. They're cool.
I thought this guy paints out of his like house garage.
No, they have a legit like. Some guy paid them $30,000 to repaint his whole car.
Send it.
Full set.
Still in there. Grab it. Like what's going on here? Blends right in.
Better than it was.
Yeah.
And then once you put those rubber things back on, it won't be too bad.
At least now when people look at your car, they won't be like,
Pop the hood again.
where is this man? Is he under the
Damn, what the hell happened to this pot?
Huh?
Is that like the style?
I feel like that.
Oh.
I think it just fell down and every plant landed
Yeah.
perfectly aligned. Why?
Rusty boys.
I mean, with some acid and some heat, anything can come out.
For now. Hand-me-downs. I mean, it's placeholders. He's pissed. He's already given up.
Not. Fucking rusty boy.
So we are currently having trouble getting these bolts off. When it does happen, this beautiful stuff can finally go on. But we don't even know if that's even gonna happen.
Just let that sit for some time. And we're gonna let that sit for some time.
Contemplate ending it all.
Just take this jack out.
I'll be back.
Can you get my phone?
No.
Please?
Hey, go.
I need it.
Is it moving or is it stripping?
Neither.
Oh, well.
Oh boy, lift is looking nice. Damn it! Dude, that's a long flame. You was close to your hoodie. You went like raised it. That's a flame. I do not trust him with a lightsaber.
Yes, jodells. The only bolt holding down the entire exhaust.
Hey.
No fucking way.
One bolty boy.
No, it's you're stripping it.
Fuck.
Should have used the other end.
Used to chill at the park, used to chill after dark, go away. I like to come on, go out.
I see
My
sand people, no
love is
blades.
driving me crazy. Now ready to find girl, what's up your mind? Yeah, good time. Got me all live. It's driving you crazy.